Ashton, what do you got?
Snackleboxes.
Are we gonna make Snackleboxes out of this? $2.98. It's a pretty good price. Alright, we're gonna put those together and that'll be good for our smaller trip instead of the bigger ones like we have before.
Like
Alright, so the first thing we need is some smaller Snackleboxes because the other ones were too big for a short trip and hard to hold on our laps. So, which ones are we getting, Finley?
I don't know what to say.
Which ones are we getting?
These ones?
Those ones, how much are they?
$2. $2.98.
That's pretty good for those. So how many do we need?
3.
3. One for each kiddo? Alright, can you get 3 of them?
Just one more.
Perfect, good start. You can pick one thing, one candy item. You got one non-candy item, now it's time for one candy item.
What do you mean?
I mean, you've got Oreos, now you can pick out one candy thing. What kind of candy do you want? I thought you wanted Starburst, did you change your mind?
Yeah, I want Oreo.
Yeah, but you can pick one candy thing too. Like look, down here there's all kinds of little bags of different ones. So like right there in front of you, there's all kinds of different ones. If you want Swedish Fish, you can have Swedish Fish.
Look at that.
Those are the ones you want, Ashton?
Of course.
Okay.
They're sweet.
So there's more suckers on that one. Okay. Finley, did we get everything for Judah?
Yes.
What did we get for Judah?
M&M's and Goldfish.
Okay. Ashton, what did you get?
Mommy, I got Oreo and sweet fish.
And Swedish Fish. Finley, what did you get?
I got the bubblegum inside the suckers. And Cheeto puffs.
Nice. And what did Daddy get?
I don't know.
What did you guess? What's left in there that you think Daddy picked?
I think you picked those. The gum, the tacos, the nuts, the Snackleboxes, the beef jerky.
Oh, so everything else is mine? What do you think Mommy got?
Maybe the cookies.
How long do you think this line will take?
I don't know. At least like 5 minutes.
At least. Which kinds did you get, Judah? Did you get some fish?
Yes.
Yeah. What else did you get? Cookies? How many cookies did you get?
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
All the kinds, huh? Okay, are we gonna eat them right now? No.
No.
Tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Okay. Can you help me close it? Good job. You want to put these in your Snackbox?
I want.
You want some of those in your Snackbox?
I want both.
Alright, separate your Snackboxes a little bit. Okay, both you can pick one container to put those in. Yeah, that's good.
One more. Okay.
Alright, then who wants to do these? Let's take turns at the last. Pick one container that's on the button. Maybe smaller handful the first time. That's all I was gonna say. You put the big snack up there. With the roll back there. There we go. Alright. Anybody want these in there?
Yes.
Do the same like I did for Judah. You can both put 3 in yours. So pick the one that's going to go in. Alright, here you go, Ashton. Here's your 3. Pick which fingers going to go in.
There you go, little cookies. Yeah, me, I'm gonna eat
Anybody,
them.
do either of you want either one of these?
No.
You don't have to pick everything, so. You want some of those? Okay. Cheez-Its for Ashton.
Yay!
Which one do you want to put them in? In that middle one there? Come on.
And stop. Yummy!
Just did some of the other good stuff. Do either one of you want to put these in yours?
I want that one.
Do you even know what these are?
No.
They're called corn nuts. Do you both want to try one and see if you like them?
I want that one.
Okay, both you try them. They're hard, so you gotta chew them. Ashton, you gotta take your gum out to chew this and try 'em.
Okay, I'll go say that.
Okay.
Ew.
Come here, Ashton. There's a trash can right here, goofball.
No.
You don't like it, Finley? There you go, Ashton. You wanna try one? See if you like it. Do you want some of those or no? Yeah? Which one do you want of them? That one? I'll put a few and you can put something else in here with it, okay?
I think they're good. Daddy, do you think they're good?
I do. Mom picked those out. That was one of Mommy's snacks. Alright, Swedish fish, anybody?
Swedish fish. Swedish fish.
Yeah.
So tempting. Yum.
That one. Maybe you get a little bit smaller handfuls when you pull them out the first time so you don't know. You don't even know when you're going to fit the first time. else, kiddo? Yeah, let's put those there because they're longer. We can put one of these in here and make it work for you. But you're not going to follow them. All right, is there anything, Finley, that you saw that you didn't get that you wanted to put back in there now? That you picked up with us? All right, can you close yours up, Ashton?
I don't think so.
You're good to go?
Uh-huh.
All right, we got our Snackles
Anyway,
packs.
I don't have any more.
Help you a little bit. All right, close it up for me.
Bring it where?
And go set it carefully on the other side of the counter so we're ready to go tomorrow.